Science Activity Day. Today is Activity 2.4, and we are going to launch lots of fun things. Now, before we start though, I want to make sure we thank Vernon Communications because they are editing and lending us their camera and doing so much with the library this summer, and we really appreciate them. Now, today's activity is called Aqua Launcher and Zipline. You can download all of these activities and all the instructions for this so that you can perform these at home. You can go to the McIntosh Memorial Library website, click on Summer Reading, and follow the path. All right, we want to make sure we have all our materials. It says we need a 2-liter bottle. We need to build something that can be a launch pad. That can be an empty box with a hole cut in it. It can be anything that can support our 2-liter bottle. And I hope today works. It's fairly windy out today. We need a tire pump or something that will pump air into it. And I prefer something where I can be a little distance from that. And we need some water. And then I have a bonus activity today, a different way to launch the bottle. So we're going to head out to the street so we make sure we have lots of open space, and then we're going to launch our bottle. All right, so I have my empty 2-liter bottle, and I'm going to put a little bit of water in it. About an inch maybe. Then I'm going to put in my cork, fairly snug. And then I'm going to come and grab my pump with the needle in, and I'm going to put that needle through the tube, all right? And I'm going to start pumping. Fun, huh? So what happens here is the pressure builds up inside here, showing that air really does take up space, doesn't it? So I'm going to cork this, get it nice and snug again. Get it in my launch pad. Whoa, I don't want that leaning towards me. All right, now we're going to launch it. And I just didn't think that last one was going to work because I saw the water squeezing out. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa! That took me fun! And I could feel so much pressure there. I was like going, using all my muscles to pump that. It was so tight that time. Now, I have a bonus one for you. And it's still another launch, but we don't need our tire pump. There's another way to build up pressure. Here's a bonus activity. I have my same bottle and about a cup of vinegar. I'm pouring the vinegar into the bottle. And now I have another cork to go in here. But what I need to do first is I have some baking soda. And baking soda and vinegar, they produce a lot of gas. So you have to do this quickly. I'm going to try to give myself a little time. I can hear the bottle already expanding. And it said it could take up to a minute. Go by it. Yes! It does take a long time, didn't it? All right, now we're gonna go and we're gonna set up a zip line. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I forgot, it's Science Day. I was so interested in reading my book, I forgot. Well, we're gonna show you how to make a zip line. I've already started it, but I'll show you the line part in just a minute. First of all, you need to find some paper cups or plastic cups that are very lightweight and add a pipe cleaner or something that will slide, like a little handle. I did too. You can do as many as you like. Then, if you look way up there at the top of that banister, that little porch we have, you can see a line. Now I'm all tangled in it. There we go. And now I'm going to tie this all around the stick so that it has a nice angle to come down. Because you know, gravity is awesome. You want it nice and tight. So I'm tying a knot here. Fishing line is slippery, and that's good too for this situation. All right, so what I've done is I've attached 3 pieces of straws on here, because that'll help it slide along the tube. Now I'm going to attach my cups. So I'm wrapping it around the straw, attaching the straw, making a little loop there. Okay, I've got a cup of water here and a cookie for a snack. So I'm going to set it down to where I'm reading. Here goes the water. Yep, there's water in there. And here goes my cookie. All right. I'll meet you down there. So, I had to do it myself this time. But don't tell anyone, but this is why I really made the zip line. So when I'm out here reading and I don't want to get up, I'm going to really call somebody in the house so they have to send me a snack. And then I can keep reading my book. Here's my snack.